He's done for. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know that wasn't a big deer, but I'm on public land right now, and that's a trophy for me. I did this with a camera mounted on my bow, so the video isn't going to be the greatest during the shot, but I think it did an alright job. I used a Firenock, and hopefully you saw it on the video. Go straight there. I know he's a young deer, just a little button buck. But I didn't get nothing last year. I'm on public land. I got my muddy safety harness on. And I shot him with the Rage 2-blade broadhead. I'm a cut-on contact guy myself. Right there's where he was standing. Don't see my arrow though. So let's follow some blood. There it is. There's the Rage 2 blade. Yeah, I figured that. That's the exit. I went and forgot my tripod, so I'm still doing this. But here's my deer, here's me. Small one, but he'll eat good. Alright, and now to get out of here with the deer. It's been, I don't know, it's been just about 10 minutes over an hour since I shot it. Got it field dressed, and I got 2 miles to walk out of here. And this is what's gonna get me out of here. Granted, it's leaning forward, got my tree stand on it, the deer, I think it was a small deer, and my Badlands backpack with my Elite Synergy bow on it. So, sucker up here. Yeah, it shouldn't be going nowhere. Probably tie down that backpack a little bit more. I'll hit the road, go check it in, finish the job. It's been a nice little hunt. I didn't get nothing last year, so this is just great.